All right, guys, we finally got some rain to calm down this 22-day drought we had. It rained all week, but during that rain, I came out early one morning to go to work, and I had, it looked like somebody had dumped flour all over my yard. And as you can see, I have a lot of fungus in the yard. See these dead spots? It's really taking a toll. I mean, it's all over the yard. You see it all the way up there, come down. It's even gotten into the ditch. And it's really thinning out the Bermuda as well. I was hoping, I saw it before we had the drought, and I was hoping the heat would just kill it. But I guess the humidity was just enough and the dew was just enough to feed it that it just spread everywhere over the whole yard. I believe it may be powdery mildew. I think that's what it's called, because it looks like somebody just dumped powder all over the yard, or really cooking flour. But I'm gonna put down a product today that covers two groups in the fungicide category. I did a video, I'll put a link up here to it last year of, talking about alternating your fungicides. One was propiconazole, the other one was Disease X, because they had two different modes of action, and you want to kind of rotate with them. You don't want to use the same one over. It's like using prodiamine over as your pre-emergent. But what I'm going to do is take you to the garage and fill up my little sprayer. I got one of those little push sprayers, and show you what I'm going to use for it. It's two modes of action all in one. I'm also going to put down an insecticide with it. I hadn't done insecticide in about over a month, so I'm going to put down that to kind of ward off the army worms that usually come around July, August. So let's head to the garage, guys. Hey guys, welcome to sunny Bermuda. Today I'm going to put down a couple of products to treat for grubs and really eliminate any type of June beetles or any Japanese beetle that might be in the yard as we move into the hot of the summer, and also fungicides. As you can see, I showed earlier, my front yard, even the ditch is covered with fungus. So first I'm going to apply some acetylprin right here. The max rate on this, always read your labels, is 0.37 ounces, fluid ounces. Remember, this is fluid ounces since this is a liquid. Here we go. It's 0.18 to 0.37 fluid ounces per 1,000 square feet. And target pests includes white grubs, including the Asiatic garden beetle, European chafer, green June beetle, Japanese beetle, the May June beetles, whole lot of different bugs. So what I'm gonna do, I can go ahead and do the max rate. I'm gonna do the whole house. I'm not doing just the front yard, I'm gonna do the ditch as well, and then also the back, which comes to right around 12,000 square feet. And I'm gonna use this little sprayer here. It's a 12-gallon sprayer, and my typical walking pace and coverage is about 1,000, so I'm gonna fill it to the max, get 12,000 or 12 gallons in here, so that should cover 12,000 square feet just right. Now this is the insecticide. Now the fungicide I'm gonna use is Armada 50 WG, and if you see at the top here, it's a group 3 and 11 fungicide in one, so I'm not alternating between propiconazole and say Disease X. Here's the other two that are commonly used. With the Armada you can apply monthly, and the label says up to 1.5 ounces of this, dry ounces, monthly per 1,000 square feet. So I'm just gonna take 1.5, multiply it by 12, and put that many dry ounces of this product in here and really agitate it, mix it up really well. Since I'm going to do 12,000 square feet with this Armada at 1.5 ounces, that comes to 18 ounces. I had to switch out my scale, so I'm gonna use this little postal scale here. Okay guys, I've got the Armada mixed in here now, and I also dumped the acetylprin in. I always like to fill it up with water, get all the ingredients out. And again, it's recommended 0.2 fluid ounces per 1,000 square feet, but I'm doing the max rate, which is 0.37 times 12, which came to about 4 ounces. Actually, it came to 4.1, 4.2 ounces. I'm gonna go ahead and use the whole thing and cover all 12,000 square feet. It's also recommended to wear long sleeves if you're gonna be using a backpack sprayer, because those backpack sprayers, they're known for getting, product all down your back sometimes. So make sure you wear a long sleeve shirt. I'm not, because I'm just going to be pushing this, but I'm going to wear my rubber boots and long pants. So make sure you dress appropriately when applying these products.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just level up. Don't be scared. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just level up. Don't be scared. I'm so gone, no I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so on, you're gonna be hurting bad. Cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad, I stay strong. You will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math, when I hate I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just level up. Don't be scared.
Okay guys, to finish up this video, a couple things. If you noticed earlier in my backyard, you may have noticed a couple of things that look wrong. One, I left my fan tip on the sprayer here, but I did replace it in the front yard with my T-Jet nozzle. It is the AI 11004. It's an air infused. See the little holes on the side? They suck in air, and it really infuses with the water and creates larger droplets that'll soak down into the turf a lot better than the fan. So in the backyard I did the fan, it worked. In fact, I went over it both ways until I made sure I had the right amount of gallons on the backyard. Second thing is I left my grass shoes on. They are waterproof, but they're not waterproof as high as I would like them, like these rubber shoes. They come all the way up past my calves. So I changed those out for the front yard. The third thing I recommend is make sure always wear a mask, some type of dust mask or a respiratory mask to try and keep from inhaling the insecticide and fungicide or any product really you put down in the yard. Because I mean, with COVID nowadays and the respiratory illnesses that people are going around, you definitely don't want to be inhaling any type of chemical products. So guys, to recap, I really enjoyed you being with me today. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down there. And leave me a comment. I love to hear you guys comments, and I'll respond to every comment. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. So I hope you guys have a great day. The answer to your questions, yes. Go ahead and order it in. I typically like to schedule my applications just before rain, but with no rain in the future so far, the next 7 days it shows 10% maybe. So go ahead and order it in just like you would if you applied granular insecticide or granular fungicide. So let's work it down into the soil. That way it can hit those bugs, or those grubs, and also the fungicide, get it down in there and let the roots absorb it. And it's just, most fungicides systemic, so it absorbs through the grass blades, or through the roots and up through the grass blades, and take care of the fungus. So go ahead and order it in.